welcome to Toys World.
Today we are here to make a video about the Hatchimal surprise twins and show you what they can do.
They're so much fun.
Here are the two Destin twins we got. One with pink hair and one with blue hair.
So let's get a closer look at these, and we're gonna show you what they do. Here's one of them, the one with the pink hair, has the bobbly head, and Kinsley has her bracelet on it. You go ahead and turn that one on, Kinsley. And then here's the one with the blue hair. The wings flap on it. Colton, you can go ahead and turn that one on. So there it is. It's in kids stage. When the eyes are blue in kids stage, that means you want to turn it upside down. We'll bring this other one right in here. They make all kinds of funny noises. It tooted. One turns upside down.
Look at their wings, they wave.
The twins are now in the baby stage. They've came out of the egg and hatched. Those are the first two stages. Now they are in this. They're hungry. This one's hungry. Blue, purple flashing eyes means hungry. So, Now they're sick. It's better now. Curious.
They do all kinds of stuff. You tell by the color of their eyes what they want to do.
Like when their eyes are pink, it's cuddly or twin talk time. When their eyes are red or fast flashing blue means upset. Orange means has the hiccups. Blue and yellow means curious. Blue and green means sick. Blue means cold. So you can tell what they do by their eyes. And there's different stages. They're in the baby stage right now. Why don't you tell them what the other stages are, Colton?
The other stages are toddler and kid.
So they'll grow with you. You just gotta teach them. So if you guys keep watching the channel and watching Kinsley's World, you'll be able to see the twins grow from babies to toddlers to kids. So we just wanted to let you have a little look at what these things do. Are they pretty neat, Colton?
Yeah.
So we're going to keep playing with them and see if we could get them to other stages. And we'll keep you guys posted on what they do and how they work. So thanks for watching.
Please like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell.
Alright guys, thanks. We're out of here.